Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country but with certain duties. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and to defend its freedom is his duty. Even if we lose the wealth of thousands, and our life is sacrificed, we should keep smiling and be cheerful, keeping our faith in God and truth. Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. My only desire is that India should be a good producer and no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country. There is something unique in this soil, which despite many obstacles has always remained the abode of great souls. Ours is a non-violent war, it is Dharma Yuddha. Gandhi's 10 lines had greater force than a 100-page memorandum.